Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacconiana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home. Today we have a couple of recent eBay purchases. Looks like these are both packaged very well, so I'm not much in doubt that both of these sellers are going to get a stellar review. I am more excited to show you guys what's inside, and I'm not sure which is in which one. I will include the seller's username from the listings page cut into the video after I reveal what is in each individual package. We get cut through the tape and bubble wrap, and as you can see, very nicely packaged, very secure. And definitely not making it easy to get into it. Very nice. So they had that bubble wrapped up nice and tight, ziplocked underneath that. This is a vintage park table lighter. I believe from the Springfield era. Hinge is tight enough. Have to do something about replacing the felt on the bottom. So very nice, very glad to have that lighter, and very well packaged also. Now, from the way these were packaged, I would have thought that the box would have had the table lighter in it. So I can tell you that this box has a lighter in it that is, I believe, brand new in the box. But it's not a Zippo. But I always think it's interesting to find these, what many people call Zippo knockoffs. They're Japanese made in Austria, made in the United States, like park lighters. However, and wherever they were made, it's always interesting to me to come across one that doesn't cost a lot of money and is in its original packaging. This is interesting. So this is taped up bubble wrap. Which was surrounding some kind of foam mesh sock almost. Anyway, that was very effective. So both those sellers get kudos for their packaging. Both of them above and beyond. And once again, to me, it doesn't matter whether you're using recycled packaging or not. The key is that you are protecting the items as well as possible. It's a nice textured box. It does have some damage. Halco windproof lighter. Doesn't look like they tried to rip off a Zippo design or anything like that, but it is a attractive box. Now the inside here does sort of look like a Zippo design. Now this is one reason why I remove lighters from boxes before I ship them and package them and protect them separately, is because you saw that that lighter had snuck in underneath the cardboard insert that is there to hold it. But this is a nice thick cardboard, really cool. We'll have some discussion later as to whether or not the inside of that box is or was designed to rip off the or look like the inside of a Zippo box. Wick has a little bit of dust contamination, but looks nice nonetheless. And a brand new lighter that cost less than $10. I think it was about $9. And a Project Park table lighter, which these table lighters, this is the first one of these Park table lighters I've ever had in my hands. And even though I know it's just a regular Park lighter with a base, it still looks way smaller than it seems like it should be. Felt the same way the first time I saw a Zippo Barcroft table lighter. First one that I ever actually saw. I still don't think I've ever held one in my hands, but the first Barcroft I ever saw was the first time that I went and visited Ted Ballard up at the National Lighter Museum right before the pandemic hit. It was like February of 2020 the first time I went up there, and he had several Barcroft table lighters in his cases there, and it just shocked me how small they were. They looked so large in all the pictures I'd seen. So I look forward to getting this lighter into working condition. Looks like the flint tube is obstructed as that file wheel is spinning freely. An old Springfield insert. Very nice table lighter that you will be seeing more videos on, as well as that brand new Halco in the background. Until next time.